Like I came in Australia in 2014 and started with this process like finding job. And I got my first one in 2019. I figured out because there is something missing in my CV. I have overseas experience, but I don't have experience in Australia.
I tried to apply online for many jobs. So I actually created many profiles on many platforms. I received a lot of responses saying that I'm not really suitable for this job. Feeling rejected really made me lose that confidence that I had before.
When I look for a job, I always look to organizations or companies that are welcoming me as who I am, a refugee from Afghanistan. English is my second language, and I'm proud of that.
We know that companies often disvalue foreign education and credentials. We also know that many jobs do not require a degree or a diploma. It is really important to consider carefully what you ask for from candidates and whether these requirements are really necessary to perform the job. It is also possible to broaden your potential talent pool by adding to the list of desirable criteria.
So one thing we found really effective is looking at those desirable criteria as well, including things like a second language. So a second language, which might seem to many job applicants as being something that's not important, can be incredibly important to an organisation in expanding the diversity of candidates that will come into the recruitment process.
It's about removing biases and going and getting help from an external source potentially that's already very good at hiring diverse talent, and then getting them into your process to make it better.
I think employers often create unnecessary and unintentional barriers to refugee co-workers to join their business, which means they're missing out on incredibly talented, motivated, engaged people who have an extraordinary work ethic and actually set a new standard for other co-workers within the business to aspire to themselves.